JNQ Anthem, Fiat Lux, let there be light. Woo! Yo, straight out of Somerset East. They told us we wouldn't make it, they lied. Look at us now. Ndiyozama. I will try, I will push, I will fight. Fight! Ndiyozama. Through the dark we are bringing the light. Fiat Lux. Ndiyozama. From the mud to the top of the sky. Up. JNQ, we are born to fly. Let's go. Born in the struggle, we start from the floor. No food in the kitchen, no hope at the door. No hope. Poverty trapping the mind of the youth, but we walk into school and we look for the truth. Facts. Blue crane route, yeah, we holding the crown. Holding it. Only black school that is shutting it down. No one. Performance is how we are breaking the chains. No longer defined by the lack of the pay. No more. Principal Mangcaka standing right at the gate. Principal telling us children don't play with your faith. Listen up. Education, the key gotta open the lock. JNQ, yeah, we running the block. I will try, I will push, I will fight. Fight, fight. Ndiyozama. Through the dark we are bringing the light. Fiat Lux. Look at the teachers that give us their all. When we are stumbling, they don't let us fall. But Brendan man truly set in the pace. My folk and tricky water right in the case. Billy and Masiko cheering us on. Why DC Pokazi, the darkness is gone. Julian and Pukwana building the dream. Balo and Makana, the ultimate team. Squad. Nikitela teaching us how to be great. Great. Wilson and Beth, controlling the fate. Control it. It's what they pray for the Somerset kids. Right. To break every ceiling and do what they did. Let's get it. Fiat Lux. Let there be light. Even if the pockets are empty, the minds are rich. We are the future of Blue Crane. Ndiyozama. JNQ, we are born to fly. Ndiyozama. Johnson, we shine because they care. Thank you to our leaders.